This is the Angular Frequency Interactive Calculator, which converts between different rotational motion parameters. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options. Calculate from linear frequency, calculate from period, calculate from rotational speed, calculate period and frequency from angular frequency, calculate from tangential velocity and radius, and calculate angular displacement from cycles and time. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate from linear frequency. The input fields include linear frequency, period, rotational speed, angular frequency, tangential velocity, radius, number of cycles, and time duration. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 Hz for linear frequency. After clicking Calculate, we get our results. The angular frequency equals 62.8319 radians per second, which represents how fast the rotation occurs in angular units. The period shows 0.100000 seconds, telling us the time for one complete rotation. The rotational speed displays 600.00 RPM, giving us the revolutions per minute. These conversions are essential for analyzing rotating machinery, calculating motor speeds, and understanding periodic motion in engineering applications. Find the link in the description below.